Hello everyone, myself Hemlata Bhatt welcome you to my online class. In this video, we will study about our 7th chapter and this is A and An. Here we will know the concept of putting A and An before words. Okay? So in earlier classes, we knew that we have 5 vowels in our English alphabet and they are A, E, I, O, U. They are vowels because they have a special sound. So while we have to put A and An before words, we have to know about our vowels. So how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels in our English alphabet. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. And other letters are called consonants. Clear? So now we are going to know about some rules. There are only 2 rules and they are A. A is put before a consonant and An is put before a vowel. So when there are some words starting with a consonant letter, we will put A. And when there are some words starting with a vowel letter, then we will put An. So simple. You can see some words are written in red color. They are A and N. And you can see we have put A before pencil. Pencil then A. Always mind it that we put A and N before naming words. Our naming words. Okay? And A and N is used to say only one in number, not many. We use A or N before naming words that are 1 in number. We have known about 1 and many also. 1 means when there are only one thing, one person, or what to say, one naming word. And many means when there are more than one things or more than one naming word. So A and N is used to say about 1. Okay? So pencil. Pencil starts with the consonant P. P is a consonant. So we will put A. Eraser. E starts with the letter E. E is a vowel. So we will put An. I am recapping the 2 rules. A is put before a consonant. A is put before a consonant. An is put before a vowel. A is put before a consonant. B is a consonant. And apple A. A is a vowel, so N is the answer. So we always put A and N before our naming words, and we have to look at the first letter only. If the first letter is a vowel, then we will put N, and if the first letter is a consonant, we will put A. Okay? And always mind it that we use A or N before naming words that are 1 in number. So A and N cannot be used for many things. Okay? They always say about one thing. So let's move to the page number 41. Here you can see I have written the rules here. You may also write here and you have to memorize the 2 rules so that you can solve so many exercises very easily. A is put before a consonant and N is put before a vowel. So tick the correct option. We have 2 options A and N and we have to find out the correct answer. And they all are naming words. We always put A and N before our naming words. And here we have 2 options. So what is the right answer? All listed. So first look at the first letters only. Okay? Only the first letter. All listed begins with the letter O and O is a vowel. So we put N before a vowel. N. So answer is N. Igloo I. Owl O. Ox O. So the first letters. Only look at the first letters I, O, and they all are vowels. So we will put N. Answer is N. Okay. Come here. W, watch, starts with the letter W, and W is a vowel? No, W is a consonant. So we will put A, not N. So similar case, girl, G, fan, F, they all are consonants. So we will put A before them. Umbrella, U, A, E, I, O, U. So it is a vowel. So answer will be N. So it is very simple exercise, and to solve them you have to memorize the two rules given by me, that A is put before a consonant and N is put before a vowel. Encircle the naming words before which N can be used. Okay, we have to encircle the naming words, okay, before which only N can be used. So N is used before a vowel, so find out the words beginning with the vowel letter. O is a vowel, so you have to circle it. T, no, this is a consonant. D is also a consonant. Eraser, E, starts with E letter. It is a vowel, so encircle it. B, no, this is a consonant. B, no, this is also a consonant. Elephant, starts with the letter E, so circle it. C, no, it is a consonant. Apricot, A, yes, it is a vowel. So we have to find out if the first letter is a vowel or not, only the first letter. If this is a vowel, then we will put N and we will encircle it. Or if this is a consonant like B, T, D, C, then we will not encircle. Let's move to the next page. Now we are in the page number 42. So fill in the blanks with A or N. A and N. So you can see some naming words are here, and we always put A or N before our naming words. We have to look at the first letter only. If the first letter is a vowel, we will put N, and if the first letter is a consonant, we will put A. X, A-X-E, first letter is A. It is a vowel, so N. Doll, D is a consonant, so A. Giraffe, G, first letter is G. G is a consonant, so answer is A. In this way you have to solve the exercise. So you can see there are some describing words also. We have known about our describing words. Describing words are those words that tell us more about our naming words. So we can use A or N before some describing words also. As I have told you that we mostly use A or N before our naming words, but there are some describing words also, and before which we can put A or N. So you can see the example, we saw an interesting match. The match is naming word and interesting is describing word, and before describing word we have put N. Because interesting, I is a vowel, that is why N. Radha is a good girl. Girl is a naming word, good is the describing word, and A is the, we have put A because G is a consonant, that is why A. And already, as I taught you, for naming words that show more than one number, we do not use A or N. This means A or N can be used to say about only one, okay, not for many. So the boys are playing a match, that is why A. If matches would be here, then no A, okay. There are 3 books on the tables. You can see the naming word is books and before it 3. So we cannot write A 3 books, can we? No. So A or N is used to say about one, not for many. Now we are in the page number 43. Write A or N before the naming words and put a cross where A or N is not required. Okay, it's very simple. A is used before a consonant and N is used before a vowel. But there are some naming words that are showing many, not one. So we cannot put there A or N. You can see 6 cups means more than one. So we cannot put here anything. We will put a cross here. Boxes, it is a many of box. B-O-X-E-S, boxes. So we cannot put A or N. Toys, T-O-Y-S, many, that is mean many toys. So cross here. And for other things, for the other naming words, we will apply our two rules. A is used before a consonant and N is used before a vowel. Okay? Write A or N before before the describing words. So here we have some describing words. Old picture. So picture is the naming word and old is the describing word. We have to put the correct A or N. Whether A or N. Old. Just look at the first letter. Only the first letter. If this is vowel, this is a vowel, so N is answer. N is a consonant, so A is answer. Ugly, U. It is a vowel, so N is the answer. Glass, G. G is a consonant, so A is the answer. In this way, you have to solve. Fill in the blanks using A or N. Put a cross where A or N is not required. This is the very same like this. But it is for the describing word. So here A or N is put before our describing words. And the case is very similar. When we have the many, we will not put anything. We will cross. Okay? And always mind it that A and N are put only to show one. Okay? So this exercise is very same. Do you have pen? It is 1. So we will put A or N. P is a consonant, so A is answer. You can see many books. Books, B-O-O-K-S. Books means many. So here we will put a cross. I love ice creams. S in the last. That is meant many ice creams. We will put cross. We cannot put A or N before the naming words that are showing more than one. Clear? Now I would like to share something with you. So open your page number 24 in the book English text, English 2. Here we have the same exercise of putting A or N. So now we will try to solve it. Write A or N before these words. The naming words are here and we have to always remember that A is put before a consonant and N is put before a vowel. So buzz, B. Look at the first letter and then apply our rule. B is a consonant, answer is A. O is a vowel, answer is N. Same is here, fill in the blanks with A or N. House, orange, flower, toy, elephant. Just look at the first letters, okay? If this is vowel, then put N, and if this is consonant, then put A. So today's lesson ends here. Hope you have enjoyed my class. Thank you.